So I just finished the last show of our play "There's Something in the Water" at Prithvi Theatre, and it's a bittersweet moment, because we had a great show, but of course we had our last show, and yeah, of course, a lot of people would ask, why would you shut down a show? Was it not doing well, or what was it? Akash said a very wonderful thing just before the play happened. We huddled together, all the actors coming together. So he said, very nice, that it wasn't because the show wasn't doing well, or the fact that it was a risque show, because we were saying some very harsh truths, things towards the society, against the society, towards an authoritarian government, or it was a hard-hitting play, left versus right and all that kind of stuff. But he said that it's not because of that. It's because हमने जब ये play बनाया था back in, I think, 3 years back, at that point of time, those things were relevant, what we wanted to say. And we had to say those things. And we got together and did the shows, which made a lot of sense back then. But now it's time to say new things, newer things. And it's time to move on towards that. But I'm just thankful that I got a chance to play a character that was so vulnerable. Somebody who was, just asked the right questions, or just asked the questions which made a lot of people uncomfortable. Because समाज में हम लोग जब जी रहे होते हैं, हम लोग बहुत सारी चीज़ें फॉर ग्रांटेड लेके जी रहे होते हैं कि भाई इसके बारे में तो बात ही नहीं करनी. क्यों? क्योंकि कोई नहीं करता. एंड जस्ट बिकॉज उसके बारे में बात कोई नहीं करता, उसका मतलब ये नहीं कि वो बात होती नहीं, है ना. सो या, थैंक यू आकर्ष खुराना फॉर गिविंग मी द रोल ऑफ डॉक्टर पार्थ सांघवी. I don't really believe in the characters that I always perform. ज़रूरी नहीं है. I mean, I can play a terrorist, but that doesn't make me a terrorist in real life, or that I relate to what the terrorists do. The same way, Dr. Parth Sanghvi's quest, or what he believed in, it's not necessary that I do believe in it. But there were a lot of elements of my own that I placed in Dr. Parth, and I related to that character. Yeah. So, and with that, that's the end of